Hi everyone! Today we're going to make Forky. Oh, he's backwards. We're going to make Forky. Now Forky is from Toy Story 4. This is just the homemade version of it. So we're going to have some of the same similar things, but I wanted to give you freedom to make your own version of Forky. So I included to also have pom-poms or different size eyeballs, but we're going to try to make it as close to Forky as possible. And then I'm going to show you how you can change it up and make it your version a little bit, okay? So the first thing you need is a fork, a spoon, or a spork, but in this case, I'm going to use a regular fork. So the first thing that we're going to do is do the arms, and I like to measure it so that it's half. And in the movie, it's kind of like half, but it's halfway down. But we're going to try to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. So you twist it both ways, and then I like to twist it one more time so it doesn't fall, and then we'll make the hands. So it's about 3 fingers, and there you go. I made my fingers kind of big, so you could probably make yours a little bit smaller. That's the first hands. And then I also cut a little bit of blue and a little bit of red for the pipe cleaners for the eyebrow and also for the mouth. So the pipe cleaner, you could also use one of those little miniature rubber bands for tying hair for little girls. But it's easy to make a circle with the pipe cleaner. So we're gonna make the mouth with this. And we'll put it on the side that curves outward. So there's his mouth. And then we're going to find 2 different size eyes. I'm going to use a big one and a small one. So far, this is what Forky looks like. And then we're going to put his eyebrows on. Now, if they're little kids and you're like teaching about the different body parts, like parts of the face, your hands, your feet, things like that, you can include the nose, like give them a nose so that, you know, you can take a look. So I'm going to get a black nose just to kind of make it my own. And make Forky have a nose. And that's what Forky looks like now. Okay, so we're going to make his hands go a little forward. And then we also have our tongue depressor. Now the tongue depressor, you're not going to use the whole stick, so you have to break off about 1/3. So it looks about like that. And then break off the other 1/3. So you have 2/3. And then you want your little bit of Play-Doh. Press the stick into it. And then connect the legs. Just flatten it a little bit. And there we go. That's our little Forky. And then if you want to add, like for instance, if you have a little girl who wants to add hair. So you have 2 options. You could either use the pipe cleaners or you could use the pom-poms. So with the pom-poms, let's say you want it to look like a Mickey Mouse kind. You could do that. Okay, so that's an option. And then another option is if you want it to kind of look like a princess or Rapunzel, you just kind of wrap it around the head like this. See how I wrapped a loop? You might have to do like 2 sets of it. And this kind of makes it look a little bit like Rapunzel or one of the princesses with the long blonde hair. There's also there's Cinderella, there's Sleeping Beauty. I would probably do 2 sets of this. And if you want them to have like braids or locks, depends on the kid, you could add it. And I'm going to show you how it ended up. Just to make it so it's personalized, they could do their own version of Forky. So there's the hair. And if it was like a white fork, that would be better because this one's like a see-through fork. You could see the crisscross at the back, but you can make it work that way. I'm going to take it out because I didn't glue it. And then one other way that you could also make it their own is if they wanted to like make it like a monster or an alien type, you can add eyes to Forky. You can add like another one here, another one here, another one here. When I was doing it with my boys before, they definitely like added like 7 eyeballs to their Forkies. So anyway, all that to say, have fun.